Hello, good evening. Hello, Yumaksol. Hello, world. I am Attorney Angel and I am your legal angel. So for tonight, I will be sharing with you the unpacking of my new fountain pen. But before that, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share. Okay, so this is it. It's almost 9 o'clock. And in a short while, I'll be going home. Okay. I bought this fountain pen from the Fountain Pen Palengke. The other day, I also bought the TWSBI fountain pen from the Fountain Pen Palengke. And I also ordered another, I ordered an ink. Okay, so, oh, what's this? Okay. I ordered a double, what's it called this? Oblique, left oblique nib. Okay, I hope I'm not boring you with this. Just wanted to unwind. Oh, this is nice. Kanwrite marble green and yellow twist. Very nice. I have yet to use it, so I'll just get back to you as to my feedback regarding this pen. That's all for tonight. Good night.